A full-blown court hearing today in Manatee County in a case known as Padi the dog. SNN provided live coverage of this afternoon's hearing, and now the dog's life is in the judge's hands. SNN's Grant Boxleitner is following the case and joins us with the latest. Grant?
John, the hearing came down to a simple question. Is the dog biting statute in Manatee County constitutional? The attorney for Padi's owner says no.
The future fate of Padi the dog played out in a Manatee County courtroom Wednesday before Judge Andrew Owens, Jr. Attorneys for Manatee County and Padi's owner, Dr. Paul Gartenberg, argued that the dog biting statute in this case is unconstitutional.
We have the authority to rule that the statute is unconstitutional in a declaratory judgment proceeding.
Gartenberg's attorney, Charles Britt, made arguments citing property rights, due process, and even the stand your ground law.
From the criminal defense world, which is where I mostly practice, is that it seems to me, it seems almost basic and common sense that if I can assert a stand your ground defense, and if I can use a dog as an extension of me as in stand your ground, then that defense should also be available to the dog itself.
It's a potential life or death decision for a dog that was in Gartenberg's vet clinic last June when it bit the ear of a 4-year-old boy. And since then, a groundswell of support has come to Padi's side, demanding the animal be saved. Grant Boxleitner, SNN Suncoast News Network.
So now it's a waiting game. Judge Owens has the legal briefs and has heard all of the arguments. John?
Grant, when do we think Judge Owens will make a decision in this case?
Well, our legal analyst for today's coverage, attorney Derek Bird, says he thinks the judge could take a few days or even a week to issue a ruling. John?
Okay, we'll continue to follow this case closely. Thanks for the report, Grant.